Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will understand the difference between limit switch and proximity sensor. To understand the difference, we will see limit switch versus proximity sensor, operating principle, contact requirements, types, mechanical wear, durability, speed, detection range, material detection, cost, application, advantages, disadvantages, environmental suitability. Okay, so let's see the limit switch versus proximity sensor. Here first, limit switch. This is the photo of a limit switch. Limit switch is a mechanical device because as you can see here, the limit switch has this lever. Okay, this is a mechanical lever, that is mechanical part, and this mechanical part or lever makes the contact with the object to detect the presence or position of the object. Okay, these limit switches has a lever or roller or plunger to detect the position or presence of the object. We can adjust the sensing range of a limit switch with the upward or downward movement of this lever by unscrewing this screw, as you can see here. Okay, by adjusting this lever position, we can adjust the sensing range of the limit switch. Okay, and this may make this lever makes the contact with the object, and that's why there will be more wear of this plunger or lever. Okay, and cost of this limit switch is less than proximity sensor. Okay, so or more details we will see further. This is the basic details, and further we will see here now proximity sensor. As you can see here, these are the proximity sensors, and this is a electronic device. Okay, and as you can see here, this blue part is the sensing element here. It senses within by capacitance or inductance of, or by here ultrasonic waves. Okay, and here as you can see here, this diameter is big, this diameter is little smaller, this diameter is smaller, this diameter is more smaller. The sensing range of the proximity sensor, it depends on the diameter of this sensing this the OD of this proximity sensor. That is, here OD of the proximity sensor is directly proportional to the sensing range. That is, if OD is more, sensing range is more. That is, when we lower the here diameter or OD of the sensing element or proximity sensor, the range of the range of this proximity sensor gets lower. Okay, that means here, suppose for example, we have diameter, this is M12 proximity sensor, then its sensing range will be 8 to 10 mm. It may vary. Okay, depending on the proximity sensor. Okay, and we go below, that is, here suppose this sensing element has M10 OD. Okay, and then its sensing range will be lower than the first one which we have seen, that for example its sensing range M10 OD proximity sensor will have the sensing range of 5 to 6 mm. Okay, this is related to proximity sensor, and proximity sensors are contactless sensing sensors. Okay, they does not make contact with the object, and detects the presence or position of the object. Okay, that's why there is no wear of the proximity sensor, and cost of proximity sensor is more than the limit switches. Okay, now let's see here. A limit switch and a proximity sensor are both devices used to detect the presence and or position of an object, but they operate differently and are suited for different applications. Okay, as we have seen, operating principle of limit switch. Limit switch is a mechanical device that operates when a physical object contacts its actuator, such as lever, plunger, or roller. As we have seen, there is a lever, there will be lever or plunger or roller to make the uh, contact with the object. Once the object moves and touches the actuator, the switch changes its electrical state, either opening or closing a circuit, providing a signal to indicate the presence or position of the object. Means here, object touches the actuator, okay, and switch, there is a switch. Switches changes the electrical state, and this provides the indication of the presence or position of the object. Okay, further, proximity sensor is an electronic sensor that detects the presence of an object without requiring physical contact. It can detect objects within a certain range of proximity based on various principles such as inductive, capacitive, ultrasonic, or optical sensing. Okay, now contact requirements. Limit switch, yes, physical contact with the object actuator. In proximity sensor, no contact detection. There is no contact between the object and the sensing element. Further types: limit switches, plunger type, roller type, lever type, spring rod type, wobble stick type. And proximity sensors are inductive, detects metallic objects using electromagnetic fields. Okay, capacitive detects capacitive type proximity sensor detects both metallic and non-metallic objects by sensing changes in capacitance. Ultrasonic proximity sensor detects objects using sound waves. Okay, an optical proximity sensor uses photoelectric, that is detects object using light beams. Okay, for the mechanical wear, limit switch, yes, due to mechanical part, mechanical wear is there. In proximity sensor, there is no physical contact, that's why no wear. For further durability, limit switch are high durability in harsh mechanical environments. Okay, and proximity sensors may be sensitive to dust, moisture, or interference, depends on type. Okay, for the speed, limit switches are slower due to mechanical movement, and proximity sensors are fast, suitable for high speed operations. Further detection range, we have seen the previously detection range. About the detection range, limit switch, very limited detection range, requires direct contact. By adjusting the lever position, we can adjust the sensing range. Okay, further proximity sensor durability, typically a few millimeter to several meters depending on the sensor type. Sensing range of proximity sensor depends on the OD of the sensing element. OD is directly proportional to sensing range, as we have seen previously. Okay, material detection. Limit switch detects all materials through physical contact only. Okay. Further proximity sensors, inductive metallic objects only, capacitive proximity sensor metallic and non-metallic objects, ultrasonic and optical proximity sensors, all materials we can detect. Okay, cost. Limit switch generally lower cost due to simpler technology, and proximity sensors are have higher cost, especially for advanced sensor types. Applications, limit switch, end of travel detection in machine tools or conveyor systems, safety interlocks, position sensing in rugged environment, proximity sensor application, object detection in automation system, counting and positioning, distance measurement, and safety sensing. Further advantages of limit switch: simple and reliable operation, good for rough or heavy duty environments, high tolerance to vibration, shock, and mechanical wear, cost effective. Okay, proximity sensors are non-contact type, no wear, high speed operation and high frequency operations, detects objects in challenging conditions, dust, moisture, etc. Disadvantages: limit switch requires maintenance due to mechanical wear, limited speed, and frequency due to mechanical parts. Proximity sensors higher cost, sensitive to environmental factors like electromagnetic interference for inductive sensors, etc. Some sensors, example inductive, only work with certain materials. Example metallic for inductive sensors. For the environmental suitability, okay. So limit switch, resistance to mechanical damage, vibration and shock. Proximity sensors, some type, example optical, may be less suited to extreme environments, but others, example inductive, can be robust. Okay. So students, in this video we have understood the difference between limit switch and proximity sensor. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.